investors. This is a technical analysis video for MELD. MELD is a decentralized non-custodial banking protocol for borrowing and lending crypto and fiat. This asset is multi-chain. I know that it sits on AVAX. It has an interface with AVAX and Cardano and probably future other blockchains. I think this asset has very good upwards potential. I think it will perform very well in the future, and this is why I have decided to do weekly TA sessions for MELD. However, you must understand this asset is not a trade, or at least in my opinion it is not a short-term trade. I consider it a position trade, meaning that you buy a bag in the bear market and you let it sit for a year or two and see what it does when the bull market is truly on. We are not in the bull market yet, but I think that a weekly session just to check on of it, how it is progressing is a good idea. So currently MELD has been consolidating in a tight range, with the range low being at 0.013 cents and the high of 0.026 cents. Currently, it looks as if MELD is going to finally break out of this accumulation range. And when it breaks out of the accumulation range, my medium-term target will be 30 cents, because price has a habit of repeating or going back to places that it was in the past. If it will get there, I cannot tell you for certain, but it seems very probable to me. Now, what I have next, or what I'm looking for next, I'm looking for a breakout from the accumulation range, because I consider this week down as what is a term that is known in Wyckoff accumulation schematics as a spring, meaning that it is a move that initiates a break out of the range. Also, you can see the wick here on May and this upwards movement on July 12th. I think that this asset is finished with its accumulation, and its next target for me is 0.037 cents. And it looks like it's not a lot on the chart, because it is a 3-day chart, but we are actually talking about a 40% move that I think is imminent for MELD. How will we know when it occurs? We see that it keeps pushing the envelope up. What I'm expecting is a breakout, a test of the range high as support, and a continuation to the upside for 3.6 cents initially. But long term, I'm more looking at 30 cents or even more than 30 cents. Okay, I will do weekly TA, and as price advances, I will keep you informed. And hopefully, I don't know if we will all be millionaires in 2 years from now, but I have high conviction that protocols like MELD and Radiant Capital will do very, very well in the bull market. I'm talking multiple X's, but it is still too early to give you an exact bull market price prediction. We need to see how this asset behaves, and when I will have more data, I will share my opinion. So check back in a week or maybe in 2 weeks, and we'll see how MELD is doing. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.